Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. I hope everybody is doing well. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020, and it is the last day of September. I can't believe it. Does anybody know what the next month will be? Yeah, that's right. The next month will be October, and October is the 10th month in the year. So we will have to update our date here tomorrow. But today is day 4, so you will have art as your special. Today is also the 21st day of school, which I can't believe it, 21 days already. And I updated our coins. We have one dime, two dimes, and then 1 penny. So 10, 20, 21, that would be 21 cents. And if we were to say that the 10 way, do you think you know how we would say that? That's right. We would say 2, 10, 1. And I don't know about you, but I'm certainly getting more used to counting the 10 way, and I can see where it will help us and make sense, especially in the future as well. But it's new for me too, so it's starting to make sense. I hope it is for you as well. All right, so we will, before we go over our schedule, if you would join me, if you feel free to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. Flag. And I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. All right, just make sure you can see the board okay. All right, so today, Wednesday, first thing this morning coming out will be your math application problem like usual. You'll have Spelling City practice spelling test that you can do through Spelling City. Someone had mentioned if you would like to take a practice spelling test on paper instead of using Spelling City, you're welcome to do that. If Spelling City is working well for you and it's helping you to prepare for your spelling test, feel free to keep doing that. But if you would ever like to, change it up, if you would like to have someone give you a practice spelling test on paper and you could just take a picture of it and send it to me in place of Spelling City, feel free to do that. Or if you feel like you need a break from the iPad as well, please always feel free to do that. And then there will also be a vocabulary deep dive lesson, and you'll hear from Miss Taylor again, and you'll have a short response after that. You'll hear from me later on this week for another reading lesson. Then we'll have our 10 a.m. class. We will do word building today, and the letters for today are B, E, G, J, L, O, T, V. But I'll, of course, include those in the typed schedule as well. And then after our 10 a.m. class, you can send your word building dictation paper. And today, instead of reading a decodable on that second page, you'll have the high frequency word practice page where you'll put the correct word in each sentence. Then we'll meet at 1 for our math, and then you'll have your problem set and exit ticket after math. So just a couple of quick announcements. I wanted to let everybody know that Mrs. Frew is still creating and recording morning announcements for the whole school. So feel free to check out the Maker tab, the Maker class in the morning to see her morning announcement for the whole school. I know those are always pretty fun and interesting. I enjoy watching them as well. So I just wanted to let you know that. You'll also see today in Seesaw that Mrs. Bauer will be posting another story, another read aloud talking about the superpowers. So, please feel free to go ahead and watch that when you have a chance. I love hearing the stories from Mrs. Bauer. She's great. And then just a couple of other quick announcements. Just a reminder, the supply box pickup is this Friday, October 2nd from 12 to 5. And if you could please, when you do come to pick up the box, you'll see on the table is a black basket. If you would mind, please returning the Tomas and the Library Lady. You'll be getting 3 new books for the next books that we'll read in our Wit and Wisdom module. So if you wouldn't mind returning the Tomas and the Library Lady, I figure that way, it's one less thing you have to kind of keep track of, and we can grab those since we're wrapped up with that story. And the Flipgrid, apologize again. I know I've had some technical hiccups here, but I think Flipgrid should be installed on everyone's iPad now. So if you wanted to give that a try, again, that was just optional. I think some of you noticed it had popped up on your iPad, but the technology department said they put it on every iPad. So if yours is still missing, just let me know. But again, that's just optional. Anytime that you would like to, you know, answer the question, and then of course you can go back and look at your classmates' answers if you would like to. All right, so I think that is it for today. Just a reminder to keep practicing your fluency passages in your blue Wit and Wisdom book. That 7A fluency passage we'll record at the end of next week, or you'll record at the end of next week for that. So just keep practicing, keep working on that. I know sometimes those can be challenging. There's some different words in there, so don't worry if you're not, you know, if it's a little tricky for you still. We'll keep practicing, and you know, it'll all work out. All right, so I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see everybody soon. Thanks so much.